Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba polling do. Ulaong bakalong kebadan kami Kynthei ban Pynjlan Khun ban pendikna bikin umekendu kijing haka Koit ka Khiah bat kajing thut haka jing san ki Khun Jong ki. Uba pol ulakran yakani haka sngi rakhi ke International Women's Day lani ka sngi nyo buram Kynthei kabala rakhi hashitulup kaperthei haka pradarik uluber 100% ha State Convention Center kabala penlong da Katanat Social Welfare ringkat kajing trelang bat ke Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society. Ulapan pau ke jingkerman ro bagi Kynthei kin buat renti ya kathong jongki banyak bor bat kishenrang nak Bynta bakin dan ke jingshngan dak babenrap bak Meghalaya kaladat ban pun urlong ya kathong jong ke beti bachao beti padhao namar bak jela ke bu ya kathong ban pun kup bor ya ki Kynthei. Kumjuru ke menteri katanat ke Koit ka Khiah ka kong amprinding do haba ajingkran hakani ke singi kalapun pau ke jingsngokmen baki Kynthei kin la ban no asnyang nak Bynta ka roi kapar ban kenjo ya ke jela Shaka $10 billion economy. Kali thuru bakumbah 100% nagamang tingka jong ka sorkar jela labha anak Bynta ki Kynthei kalapun pau ya ke jingkman bagi Kynthei jong ka pateng kidei kinong kentiu ya ke jela ha ka yok ka kon. Kala ajing ro ru ya ki Kynthei ha Giant Hills ki balapun I baki long ki bas kham jingmut bat kila ban yaisha watla kila do ya ka kamai ka ji jongki hadien ke jingkhang do yong dak ba penslure ki weipat ki Kynthei ban buat nuk salang naki bat persyang bantre daki weipat ki kam ban kamai jakupo.
Kabriyo ke badan ke sinduna Henry nga hikai persyang bantir ya uksai Henry ka ay mensimpat yang bangan thir ne bangan le bahaya te nantanga ya kendu saya madam jongi iba dei ya syarang bai iba dei nong supply chain bat iba thir ksai Henry ki ay mensim yang bagi penselur yang bangan thiri atau ksai te dan lampat baka company jongki kedai ka review te ngala thiri atau ksai ban ngala thiri atau ksai ki ngala sneu bang ngayo hilda kacing Donkam ke Jong kumita kajing Donkam ke Jong malong ka priyo ke badan kajing duna bat ngalala aru ngalayo kumbashi hajar nela hajar si benai ditangkat tahi privilege pun.
Women are the bearers of communities, tribes, clans. Women protect the interest of the clan. By multiplying, it is very important to remember that women are stable in their thinking. Women are not emotionally carried away. We may seem very fragile, but I believe in the heart of heart, every woman has a heart of stone and is engaged primarily to serve others. From our birth, we accept that we serve others, not ourselves. But today, let us review this service. Are we able to accelerate growth firstly in our families? There is this fear that if a mother becomes engaged economically, there's going to be a compromise on child rearing. It's not true. Women are able to compartmentalize their time. Women are able to manage their time efficiently. Let us continue. Risk of your children going west or south. Children of this generation require women to rear them and guide them in the right direction. And I am confident that the women that I know in this hall, without taking individual names, have the mettle in them. So today, we will pride each other, we will pat each other on the back, and we will say thank you for being the woman that you are. And I believe that we will demand from the government accelerated action. Don't just talk about women empowerment. Get down to business and prepare the path for this empowerment. And government is doing that. We have ensured that VEC's secretaries are all women, but there are still VECs which refuse to allow that to happen. We will not conflict with men, but we will gently guide them forward. Women have a knack of being the peacemakers. In this generation especially, I feel the role of women as peacemakers is going to be of paramount importance. Can we calm the men around us? Should we not collaboratively work on this? So many challenges are going to come up. So many dynamics are going to change in the next decade. And I believe that the women of Meghalaya are more than ready. We are more than empowered. But let's take this empowerment forward and let's demand for acceleration action. You must be safe in your workplaces. Are you safe? Or is there oppression? Are institutions, departments, directorates taking care of making sure that a woman who is oppressed has a passage for objection? What is there in an act if it does not become flesh and blood and operationalized? A lot of departments are headed by women. Can women take that necessary decision for accelerating action? I call upon all the women who have risen in their capacities to the helm of affairs in their directorates and departments. Handhold your women first. Give them the confidence, handhold them, nurture them, and enable them to perform better.
To women this morning, and so I spoke to Khun Amberly, who has just left for the other program, and told her that I believe in women first, ladies first. So be the first to arrive at today's program. That's why also she asked for my permission to leave ahead of me. I said that's another tribute to womanhood. Only to declare that most people know me as father of one son, but apart from him, I have 4 lakh children under social welfare department. So being a father of 4 lakhs is not an easy task, but we would like to carry on because I believe God has designed a purpose for each one of us, and we're here to carry forward that mission, that responsibility with which we are tasked. If you go figures, facts and figures, we would all note that the Department of Social Welfare has played a deep and intense role in changing the fortunes of several families, and not just those directly impacted by the department. And I'm happy to say that we have a very energetic team which is working together to ensure that the rest of the world looks up to Meghalaya. I'm glad to say this, that whenever I interact with countrymen across the country, they all acknowledge the fact that whenever they visit Meghalaya, they do notice the fact that women are held in high regard. And this is a tradition that we should carry forward and further improve upon. There is a song I heard as a kid, Blaye. I thought it was a song about God. But when I listened to the words, Blaye represents the mother, the goddess of the house or the home. And so this is a society that reveres mothers as goddesses. Of course, there was also another incident I would like to highlight here. There was this conversation between a man and a woman. And the man said, people call me Bap because Bap means great. Shinram is male, but Ramba is man. A stream is a Wadur. A river is Kawak, but Wapa would be the sea. A loam would be a hill. A lopa becomes a mountain. So the man argues that Ba signifies size and dimension. The lady was listening with rapt attention, but she retorted by saying, you know why we are called Kong? Kong means Ningkong. We are first. So you may be as big as you can claim to be, but we are first. I think over centuries, this discourse, this debate has been ongoing. And I also recall coming up to this argument where both a girl and a boy were asked to place punctuation marks before one sentence. The sentence reads, woman without a man is nothing. You know what how the girl placed punctuation marks? She said, woman, exclamation. Without her, comma, man is nothing. And the boy wrote back, woman, comma, without a man, comma, is nothing, full stop. So it's up to this audience to make up your mind. But I think our energy comes from synergy. Our department forward, guide us to better serve our people, and be here with that sense of mission. I'd like to end by reminding each one of us, both men and women, that the very venue we are in is part of Pinewood Hotel, which was initiated by a Swiss couple just a year after the great earthquake of 1897. The fact that they chose to build what became later one of the best 50 hotels in India is a testimony of faith. For us to build after a massive destruction, only people of strength, only people who team up can even come up with such an idea. So once again, I wish to these televisions the very best, and I'm sure that you all will proactively pursue the goal of ensuring that we are assured of gender equality, we are assured, and you as women, as girls, are assured of safety. Certainly the state and her capital city of Shillong is one of the safest in the country, but we would like to ensure that we take that a notch further so that we become a living example of women's rights, where others are still, the rest of the country is still talking of Beti Bachao. I think we've already achieved that goal. For us, what lies ahead is empowering and ensuring that all of you unleash your huge potential.